Before we start, please, like this video and subscribe to my channel. You know it's important to brush, floss, and rinse with an antiseptic mouthwash to prevent tartar and plaque buildup. But do you know why? What is tartar? How does it get on your teeth? And what can happen if it does? What is tartar? Even if you take great care of your teeth at home, you still have bacteria in your mouth. They mix with proteins and food byproducts to form a sticky film called dental plaque. This gunk coats your teeth, gets under your gum line, and sticks to fillings or other dental work. Plaque carries bacteria that can damage tooth enamel and lead to cavities. But if you remove plaque regularly, you can prevent permanent tooth decay and gum disease. Here I have one amazing mouthwash that removes plaque and tartar from teeth in 2 minutes. This is how to prepare this mouthwash. You will need 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup hydrogen peroxide, 1 cup cold water, 1/2 cup warm water, toothbrush, toothpicks. Instructions. You should combine the salt and baking soda, and then wet the toothbrush in some warm water. Spread the mixture above it, and rub the teeth. Then, spit it. Repeat this for 2 minutes. Next, mix the hydrogen peroxide with the warm water, and use this solution to rinse the mouth for a minute. Expel it from the mouthwash. In the end, use a toothpick to remove the tartar from between the teeth. Rinse with cold water. Repeat this twice a week. And also we recommend you to do oil pulling every day. Additional tips. Remember that you should never swallow mouthwash, as it might contain harmful ingredients. For optimal oral health, make sure you brush the teeth at least 3 times daily with good quality toothpaste. Spicy food stimulates the work of salivary glands, and saliva naturally sanitizes the oral cavity. I hope this video will helpful to you. Please, like this video and subscribe to my channel.